What is going on, guys? It's your main man, James. And today I want to show you a really nice method that is very unique, very good, affiliate marketing friendly, lots of interesting offers you can promote, and lots of interesting ways of making money. So let's get started. So here I am on Google Trends, and as you can see, there's a really nice graph. Okay, and anytime I spend a lot of time on Google Trends, and anytime I see a graph like this, it gets my attention. I want to pay more attention to it because anytime you see a graph like that, it means there's a way to make money. Okay, so this is worldwide. This includes, the whole world. And anytime you see a graph like that, obviously you're not going to find it by accident. Well, sometimes you will. But, I spent some time researching it, and that's why I'm showing you, right? And the search term is full stack developer. And if you're not aware of what a full stack developer is, you can simply Google for it. You can simply type that, and you can see, you can learn what is a full stack developer. A full stack developer is a programmer who works within software development and is knowledgeable in both the front end and back end of an application, okay? So there you know. Now, as marketers, we don't really need to know that. That is not important for us. I mean, even if you did not know that or you did not care about it, and this is a completely different niche to you, that's the key with marketing, is that we pick an offer, we pick an area that there's potential, and we go out and promote it, okay? We don't necessarily build our own products or services. We basically go out and promote something that's already working. Now, here's another search. If you do a search such as this one, right? We're searching this site, newsycombinator.com, just put hiring. You're going to see all of these posts, right? This is a message board. And let's say we open the first one here, the first result. And you're going to see Ask HN. HN stands for Hacker News. Who is hiring, okay? And these are all software jobs, okay? And so as you can see, every month, at the beginning of every month, they have it. So, some of them have here, it says remote, 40,000 to 90,000 British pounds for this offer. So you can kind of read it. Sometimes they don't have, a lot of times you're not going to see the salary. You might have to click through and learn more about the salary. They don't, typically don't list it, but here you have 120,000 to 220,000 product engineers, full stack, plus equity, right? So you can keep scrolling. You can learn. There's all these places that are hiring. So this is a very hot. Look at this. This is a very long thread. And this is only for October, right? This is just that, this previous month, this recent month. And if you scroll down, you can keep scrolling. You can learn all of that. You can see there's a lot of full stack engineer. So if I even do something like this, if I put search full stack engineer, I have 40 results just for full stack engineer. Obviously, there's more different roles and stuff like that. So this should give you an idea that this is a red hot market. This is a red hot market, a labor market for people that possess these skills. Very, very important. And so what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be teaching people how to become full stack engineers so that they can make all this money. And there's a lot of people trying to get into this area, and this is a red hot area. And it's I think you would be crazy, you would be even foolish, I would say, to not go in and take advantage of it, to not exploit this area. Now, if you Google for a term called Code Academy, or however you pronounce Code Academy, however you pronounce it, you're gonna be on this page here. And what is a Code Academy? Code Academy is an American online interactive platform that offers free coding classes in 12 different programming languages, including etc., etc. Okay. Now, if we open this page up, this is their homepage. So as you can see, it's full stack engineer, data scientist, computer science, and actually, just to tell you something else, full stack engineer is not even the highest paid job. There are jobs that pay a lot more: data scientist, computer scientists, etc., etc. So there's all kinds of other jobs that pay even more money. That is something you guys got to understand. But we're focusing on full stack. Now, what we want to do, guys, is we want to build some kind of an entity, a site, an app, something where we can promote this affiliate marketing program to people that are interested in it, okay? And so I'm going to show you a really good method. You want to go to a site called Stack Overflow, and this is a site that has a lot of questions and answers having to do with software development, okay? And what you want to do is you want to type something like this, like what I'm typing now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type JavaScript, simply because JavaScript is one of the most highly sought skills, highly sought programming languages, highly sought skills, and you're going to have a bunch of questions. Now, what I want to do is I want to go to frequent. I could do votes. Okay, so votes means that these questions got the most amount of votes, which means that these questions a lot of other people like. They found them relevant, they found them interesting, they found them helpful in order to learn a topic. And typically these are going to be very common questions. Okay, and so what we want to do is we want to take these questions and answers, and we want to create some kind of a site, flashcard type site that we can promote to others. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you how we're going to do that. So the first thing you guys got to do is you got to download this plugin called Scrape Similar. It's a free plugin. You just have to Google it. It's going to be on Chrome. It's a completely free plugin. Once you download it, you can simply do exactly what I did here, and you're going to right-click on the question. See, if I right-click on the question and I choose Scrape Similar, I get a list of all of these questions. There are 15 questions. I'm going to copy to clipboard. Okay? I'm going to copy to clipboard. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to one of my open Google Sheets. I'm going to paste it. Okay? This is the link. This is the name. I'm going to call this name. And this is the URL to the actual where we're going to learn about the answer. Okay? If they want it. Okay? Now, we don't really, there are a couple of ways of doing it. You can show the answer, you can show the link, but we're not going to be doing this in this specific method. We're not going to do it because we're going to be promoting the affiliate offer. We're going to be promoting the affiliate offer. You can show the answer if you want. It's really, really up to you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this affiliate URL. And this is going to be, instead of the answer here, it's going to be affiliate URL. I'm just going to put google.com. Because obviously you have to go out and get the affiliate link. And let me show you where you're going to get the affiliate link. So if you go to Codecademy, you scroll all the way down, you're going to see affiliates. You click on affiliates and you can earn commission for every pro member you refer. And they even tell you, if you're a coupon or a loyalty publisher, you earn at least 5% commission. If you're a content creator, you'll earn at least 10% commission. And they give you, there are different tiers. And this is also not the only site you can promote. There's a lot of other sites. I'm going to show you at the end of the video some of the other options. But for now, let's get back to our spreadsheet. And so I have this spreadsheet here, right? And so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to format it. And so now I have two columns. I have column name and I have an affiliate URL, which I'm going to put that here. And this is going to be our affiliate link that you're going to get from the affiliate program. So we're going to go in here. We're going to paste it all the way down. Now, you can have an answer if you want, and I'm going to explain to you how you can have both. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to a place called Spread Simple, okay? We're going to log into the site here very, very easily. And I'm going to go into Get Started. I'm going to sign in with my account. So I'm logged into the site right now. I'm going to hit Add a Website. And what I need to do is I need to paste my sheet here and I need to pick a template. So I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to copy this link of my spreadsheet. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to hit continue. And right away, it created a website for me. There's a couple of things I need to do. Maybe I want to change this design right here. So I can just go into design and I can go into homepage intro, right? And there's this image and I can change it, right? I can click on this. And I can search Unsplash for images. So I can put coding. Okay, I can do that and I can pick an image. So maybe this is a cool image, something like this. And instead of bring your ideas for life, I can say become a full stack developer by answer these questions. And as you can see, it already populated the questions that I have. JavaScript, answer these. I can even say JavaScript questions, something like this. And what's nice about it, how can I remove? If they don't know the answer, I can just add a button. So take a look at this. I can go to content and I can add a button. So here I have a button. I have all the stuff here. I have a name, I have a subtitle, price text, all of these. And if I scroll down, I have a primary button. And this button is going to have a link. And this link is going to be the affiliate URL. Now we have a button. So I can say, find out an answer, learn an answer, learn or get an answer. And I could say something like this, answer it, right? Or I can say discover an answer, find an answer, whatever you want, find an answer, learn or learn the answer, something like this. And now when they click on it, this is going to go to the affiliate program. Now, obviously, I can change the color. Maybe I want to make it something like this, something bluish. Let's see, maybe something like this. Yeah, maybe something like this, maybe a little bit darker. Yeah, something like this. That looks about right. And now I have a page. I can hit publish. Take a look at this. I can call it full stack tutorial or something like this, or full stack developer. I can even say something full stack now. I can say save. And it created a site for me. I can copy it. I can open it up, and I have a site that I created in 2 minutes. Now, if I click on this, it's going to redirect me to Google, which is our affiliate link, okay? Now, there's a couple of other ways that we can do things, right? We can create another page. We can have, so if they click on it, right? So if we go in here, this button right here, that can lead to an order for our details page, right? We can create a details page, right? So it could pop up an image, and on the details page, we can actually show them the answer. So we can have a new column here, and we can say details. I can just say details or answer, whatever. And then I can just go in here, and I can, copy the questions. I can click on this and do the same thing. I can copy the answer. There's the answer right here. Or the other thing, remember when we pasted it initially, we had the link, the URL link. I can link it to that URL. There's a lot of ways of doing it. But really, the coolest part of it all is that you now have a web page, and you can promote it in different places. And so you can go on Google or Bing, and you can type something like full stack developer forums, right? You can type something like this, and you can learn about the forum, or become a developer forums, right? And you can say, hey, I have this quiz. It's about, it's a JavaScript quiz. See how many questions you know. See how many answers you know. Do you know these answers? If you click on it, you will be redirected to an offer, and they can learn more. Now you're thinking like, okay, I want to promote other offers. Just type Codecademy. You can do that versus. And then you have all of these other options. There you have, what is that? Like 10 other options. 10 other results that you can go ahead and promote it, right? All of these are there according to Google, according to searches. And like I said, guys, you cannot miss something like this. I think in some of the future videos, I'll show you a couple of other methods you can make money doing this. But in this method, what's beautiful about it is that you don't need ClickBank, you don't need Max Bounty, you don't need about anything in order to do this correctly. All right, so let me know in the comments below what you think about this method. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Let me know if something wasn't clear. If you enjoyed the video, I would highly appreciate a thumbs up on the video. I would highly appreciate you leaving a comment. Just let me know what you thought about it. And I would highly appreciate if you can subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.